Hello, my name is Iowani Unpingo. I'm here at Clinique de Paris in Makati. Today I had the PRP treatment and it was absolutely painless. The steps are actually quite easy. You come in, they take out your blood, it goes through a machine which separates your plasma and your blood, and then they inject the plasma back into your hair area, which helps with hair fall, hair growth, and not losing your hair. I think I've done it maybe 5 times throughout the course of a couple of years. Well, I feel like hair is a big confidence for people, especially trying to go through your daily life. And I feel like when you don't feel confident, you cannot push through your day a lot, especially when, for me, I work in media, I work behind the camera, I work in front of the camera. So for me to give my best effort, I gotta feel good about myself. So Clinique de Paris helps with that. My advice is, if you notice it, start now. You can contact the clinic and do a live consultation. They also do online consultation, and I feel like if you notice it happening, you can treat it now to prevent further problems with your hair. So in my industry, I work with a lot of beautiful people. A lot of times, whether it's celebrities or even average people, and what I do is I help make them feel beautiful. Hair is the confidence booster. I feel better. I feel I can accomplish more. I feel I can worry less. I don't have to fixate on how to cover it so much. Before, I used to wear like a lot of caps or even headbands, or I used to worry about if it's so windy. So nowadays I can kind of just style it and move on.